because we want to add this to our weekly morning announcements. We're going to start our announcements Monday morning. We also want to put them on YouTube. All right, so this will be our first video that we'll make. Let us know when you're ready. You ready? All right. Jander, please take the mic. You can go off the top of your head as you memorize, but also read the certificate and the plaque. Come on up.
Good morning, Ascot Lions. Today we would like to say thank you to this wonderful lady, Miss Thompson, for donating 4,000 books to our school. Everybody say that with me. 4,000. That's a really big number. And that's a lot of books to read. And that's why, and we would want to present this award that goes to Miss Thompson. And a certificate of recognition to Miss Thompson. Thank you for donating 4,000 high-interest books to the students of Ascot Elementary School. Your generosity will make a difference in students' lives to become lifelong readers. On the behalf of the Board of Education of the City of Los Angeles and Los Angeles Unified School District, we thank you and express our deepest appreciation for your donation. Jackie Goldberg, Board District Member 5, June 2022. Everybody say thank you to Miss Thompson.
All right, good job, Jander. And just so you know, Miss Thompson said, when can I give the students some more books? So she wants to come back and continue her legacy of bringing books to your hands, because, like Deputy James says, education and reading is the key to set our minds free. All right, so Ms. Thompson, let's listen to her. I know she wants to say a few words to us.
I thank you for this honor of being recognized as a community hero. In this day and age, with so much turmoil in the world and the pandemic still hanging on, it's so important for each of us to do everything we can to help everyone around us live a better life in any way that we can. As a child, I was privileged to have a great aunt, my grandfather's sister, who bought me books on a regular basis and often read with me. And she'd let me pick out the books that I wanted to read, which was great. Reading is so important for a great education, but it is the books that we read on our own time that help us expand our vision of the world and build a good, robust vocabulary and stimulate our imaginations. And it's because reading has been so important in my life that I decided to buy books for kids in LA. So I have been doing that for 15 years. So I thank you for recognizing that heroes come with many different contributions. I really appreciate the honor. I hope that all of you let reading help you grow as a person, and that wherever you end up, you can become a community hero also. So thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Thompson. And I really want to couple her message with how much of a difference I believe it made last year, because Ascot came out number 1 in math scores, number 1 in science scores from our community of schools, 23 schools, and we came out number 1. We came out number 2 in reading. So that is awesome. And a lot of it, I think, is because of the kids just going home and reading and being here with some amazing teachers. Our teachers here in Ascot are awesome, and when the books help, but every little act in the classroom and at home makes a difference. Now we listen to my good friend, Deputy James, who's also a believer in motivating students and the spoken word, making good decisions. I really like him a lot, but Really sad that he brought a Raider jersey this morning. More of a Chargers fan, but that's okay.
Thank you, Dr. Ortiz. I'm going to need all of Ascot to do me a favor. I want you to repeat after me, and then after we do that, we're going to, they have a tradition at Ascot to say "Rah" at the end, okay? Repeat after me. Education is the key to set our minds free. Everybody say "Rah." Beautiful, beautiful. Now, here's what I'm going to ask. When you guys enter your classrooms, we need you to sit with your hands on your knee, with your back up straight, ready to receive instruction from the teacher. When the teacher walks in the classroom and she can hear and they can tell that you're quiet, they're going to begin their lesson. They're going to be so excited when you show discipline of having your hands on your knee, back straight, ready to listen to instruction. That goes a long way, I promise you. Repeat after me. Education is the key to set your mind free. Excellent. Let's clap that up. Let's clap that up. And when you enter the classroom, remember, let's send a strong Ascot welcome to those teachers by sitting up with your back straight, and they're gonna see it, and then they're gonna respond and say thank you. Let's clap that up.
All right, and I repeat the words that Deputy James has always said. Discipline precedes literacy. And once you learn the rules, once you learn to follow the Ascot way, then you can learn to read and write and do science and all that good stuff. So, discipline, the rules precede literacy. Next week we're going to have some special assemblies. Maybe in the auditorium, maybe through Zoom, but I'm hoping we do it in the auditorium. We wear our masks, we stay safe. And to help us with that, a co-principal that I rely on for her great organizational skills. I know she's helping us with a little party we're going to have for Wisconsin. And this, all the assemblies. Let's hear from Mrs. Corral. Ms. Corral, please give us a warm welcome for the first assembly of the year.
Good morning, Ascot Lions. Let's hear a big roar on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Louder, louder. We want the mayor to hear us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's right. You know what? Today, this morning, the first thing that I thought was, wow, our Ascot Lions are 5 days smarter because you have been here the whole week. So give yourselves a clap, please. Now, boys and girls, what that means is that we want to see you here on time, every day, and present. That means that when you're here, your brain is on because we need you to be learning, reading, math, writing, science, all the wonderful things that you're awesome. Look at your awesome teachers right now. Please, all the teachers that are here, all your assistants, give them a huge round of applause, boys and girls. Thank you so much. Ascot teachers, they have been here for you every day. Now, boys and girls, today I looked at my data. I looked at the attendance data. We need to be here every day. And we need to 90%, 96%, and we were at 87. So we gotta work on being here every day, boys and girls. So next week, on Friday when I see you again, I want us to be higher than 87. I want us to be at 96%. Say 96%. I didn't mean to say that. That's right, boys and girls, because the more you hear, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the better chances you have to go to college. Oh, I heard over there. The better chances you have to go to college. Or be whatever you want to be. So please, boys and girls, tell your parents, I want to go to school. Not just any school, though. Ascot. So I want to go to Ascot. Let's say it. A little louder. That's right. I get up, and today, boys and girls, if you look around, we all have our Ascot t-shirts. Look around. Okay. And you know why? Because we are proud to be Lions. So if you don't have one, don't worry. We'll try to make sure that you get one. Every Friday, we want to see the whole school wearing their Ascot shirt because we are proud Lions. So with that said, one more roar. 1, 2, 3. A little louder. 1, 2, 3. Great job, Ascot Lions.
Oh, wow. That was good. Here's Leo the Lion. I don't know what to read them. Trying to figure out what kind of music is here.
Boys and girls, you roared so loud that our lion came out today. Look at that roar. Let's give him a big roar. 1, 2, 3. You guys woke him up. All right, good job. You guys were so loud that he woke up. And he is also here at Ascot and present and ready to learn.
People want you to do a laugh, Mr. King. All right. Okay, so as you saw, Corral said, our focus is going to be here every day so we can be champion lions. Okay, so be here every day so we can learn and continue to make Ascot the best school in Los Angeles. Are you ready? You have an awesome year? All right, write down your hopes. If your teachers haven't given you those slips, write down your hopes. I want to see them all over the school on bulletin boards outside, bulletin boards in the classroom. What are your wigs, your wildly important goals, and your hopes? All right, we have the hopes the teachers wrote in the office. I want to see the student hopes all over the hallways. Okay, so you can show our guests what you hope to become one day. What are your aspirations? What is it you want to do? All right, have a great Friday. Let's have a fun Friday. Those of you that work on homework packets, you have a special party. What do we get? Ice cream or what else are we going to do? Let's go on.
Boys and girls, raise your hand if you brought your homework packet. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Wow, look at that. You guys are a summer smarter. And because of that, today you will join us for Fun Friday, boys and girls. And each one of you is going to get a backpack. You're going to get an ice cream. And we're going to raffle all these different things for you to have fun with. And that's because you want to be smarter. So I'll see you guys at 1 o'clock here in the yard. What time? That's right. Don't forget your Fun Friday ticket to come in and have fun with us this Friday, boys and girls.
Awesome. Thank you for organizing that, Ms. Brown. Okay, everyone, let's end our assembly with a big Ascot roar on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. The kindergartners don't know how to do that. We say roar on 3. Ready? We stick our hands out like a lion paw. Roar on 3, because we are the Ascot Lions. The espíritu of the león. Spirit of the lion. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's pretty good, but I think we can do better. On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I heard this time. Okay, everyone, have a great Friday. Drink lots of water. Stay cool. And let's have some fun learning.